Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Thank you for joining me for another episode. Today, I'm doing another update on the Barndominium. If you guys haven't been following this series, essentially we're building a 1,200 square foot, two-story, as you can see, Barndominium that we're calling the Burghoff, kind of a homage to the place that I work at in Alaska. Now, today we ended up getting our cabinets, which is pretty cool. I would have put them in the Burghoff, but unfortunately we don't have room, and we've got a lot of work going on in there, which I'll show you. But pretty excited about these. Ordered them at Lowe's. I have not opened them yet, but yeah, we're gonna have a lot of work on our hands installing those pretty soon. So we got that done, and everything else has been happening at breakneck speed. You know, it seemed like the beginning of this process took forever, and then once we got started, it's just taken off from there. So just to kind of recap, we bought the materials package from Summertown Metals. They're awesome. We ended up buying the shop, you know, about a year and a half ago from Summertown Metals. It was really easy. They had, you know, the price right there on the website. They showed, you know, this was one of their packages that they offered. You know, it was just stress-free. I just called them, gave them the colors that I wanted, picked out the extras, things like that. And I had such a great experience with Summertown, that I decided to build our little Barndominium, which is going to be our temporary home for the next, 4 or 5 years. And then we'll rent it out. And eventually we'll build up here on the hill. But this is going to be a great place for us to live. And so we got Summertown Metals to deliver all the materials package. And then we got a GC, Caleb Yon. And I can't say enough about Caleb. He has been awesome. He does a lot of stuff here in the Dayton, Spring City, Ray County in general area. And he's been outstanding, and all of his subcontractors have been great too. So kudos to them. But this is it right here. As far as the exterior, we got the siding on, within the last few weeks. Got the deck done, which is my favorite part about this whole house. But inside is really where we're making the most progress recently. Check this out. Now we've got drywall hung. So this area is going to be tongue and groove in the living room here. That is the kitchen, so we did drywall there. But yeah, we've got a crew that isn't quite finished up. They still have to get in here. And you can also see we did spray foam too. That's a whole other thing that we did. We had a spray tech come in here, and they did the walls. So they did a great job. Open cell foam. Feel like it was pretty reasonable price. But yeah, so we're getting all the drywall done. Looks really good. Everybody says that the house will look bigger once the drywall's in. It feels a little smaller to me, but it does. It still is going to be an awesome little living space. I think it'll be perfect for a family of 3. 1,200 square foot is all you need, as long as it's laid out nice. But as you can see here, this is the kitchen, so we're going to be putting the cabinets in here. Don't have any light back here, but the bathroom is back there. Yeah, this is like one of the spare bedrooms. But man, it is so cool to see this place come together. That window actually worked out really nice. I was kind of iffy about it, but it adds a nice natural light to this staircase here. Up here, as you guys know, my office, and the reason why there's no drywall here is because I'm pretty much doing all tongue and groove in here. I love that natural pine look. So I've been putting that up, and now that we've got the insulation in and the drywall up, I can finish that project. But yeah, looking good. The bedroom, man, it's really starting to come together. Again, tongue and groove up on the ceiling too. That's why that's still open. Katie's closet, the baby's room, And the master bathroom. Master bathroom kind of shrunk because we ended up making the baby's room a little bit bigger, but yeah. So that's what we've got going on right now. So the next things on the list are, you know, obviously finishing the drywall. So the team that Caleb has is going to come in. They're going to, you know, mud everything, get everything nice and cleaned up so we can get ready to paint. Now, originally, I've got some buddies that are coming down from Knoxville. I'm really excited that they're going to help me paint. I might start a little bit early because it would be nice to be able to get the upstairs done. You know, be able to get the carpet in. We've got a local company that's doing the carpet. Upstairs, downstairs, just concrete floor. We're going to stain that. But, you know, it would be nice to be able to get this painted and this whole upstairs area done so we can just, you know, move in. Because Mama is getting pretty, you know, big, being pregnant and all, and starting to get a little bit uncomfortable with the RV mattress, which I totally understand. So hopefully we can appease her and get our king bed in here out of storage. So that's the next project. We've got, you know, obviously the cabinets that need to be done. We've got the all the lighting fixtures, all that stuff we got to do. Plumbing, you know, working out the you know, installing the toilets and the bathtubs and all that stuff. So a ton of work, but the end is near. I'm seeing the light at the end of the tunnel right now because a lot has happened over the last 2 months. So really excited where we're at. I'm spending a little bit more money than I wanted to, just, you know, hiring somebody to do the drywall. You know, originally we were going to do the drywall. But then I just started realizing it's like, I got business to do. I got to, you know, do a bunch of, you know, fishing content and get back to my fishing business. And so it's like, it's great saving money, but I'd rather be making money too, than just, you know, pinching pennies. So we decided to just go ahead and have a professional hang the drywall. Glad we did, because it only took them a day and a half. It would have taken me weeks. But it was cool watching them, you know, how they do it and how efficient they are. Now, I will say, having professionals come in, they do tend to use a lot of drywall. There's a lot of drywall. I got to get a tarp because that's going to be a mess trying to clean that up if it rains on it. So I got to, you know, get an extra tarp for that. But yeah, I mean, we're paying extra money. And we're probably going to be a little bit over budget now, but we're still going to be under budget as far as what we got for, you know, for this construction loan through the bank. So, and by the way, Southeast Bank is the bank that we're dealing with. They've been awesome. So anyways, guys, I'm starting to feel like I have a house, and it totally feels awesome. This is just outstanding. So still a lot of work ahead, but man, we are so close. I can taste it. I can feel my king size mattress. I can hear the TV on the wall, and you know, I just can't wait to lounge out on my old couch. The RV recliners just aren't doing it for me anymore. So anyways, guys, that is the update on the Barndoff. It is looking really good. It's still kind of a disaster zone as far as cleanliness, but we're making tons of progress, so I'm really happy about it. But anyways, guys, if you have any questions about this process, if you guys are interested in building a Barndominium or anything like that, drop a comment below, and please check out Summertown Metals. They have been incredible. And they're really, really easy to work with, and you get pictures. I'm kind of a visual guy myself, so seeing actual pictures of things helps me kind of conceptualize what I'm looking for. So go check out summertownmetals.com. They are incredible, and I'm going to see you guys probably working on the Barndoff. I don't think I'm going to be on the water anytime soon, but for now, I'll see you till the next update.